My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today for this companion video for chapter number 8 of Spiritual Quantum Healing. When people first hear about distance healing, the mind often struggles. We've been conditioned to believe that influence weakens with distance, that connection requires proximity, and that separation is real. Yet, in lived experience, none of this holds up. Consciousness is not confined to the body. This isn't a theory for me. It's something I've observed repeatedly over many years of healing work. When awareness becomes quiet and intention is clean, healing occurs regardless of location. The body does not need to be present. Distance does not dilute the connection. And that's because mind is not local. We tend to think of mind as something that exists between the eyes, contained within the skull. But consciousness doesn't behave that way. It expresses through us, but it is not contained by us. When awareness settles, it naturally recognizes connection. Nothing has to travel, nothing has to be sent. There is simply alignment within a shared field. This is where people often misunderstand healing. They imagine energy being projected or directed outward, but healing doesn't work through force. It works through coherence. When awareness rests clearly and respectfully, the field responds. The name on a piece of paper, the thought of a person, or a simple intention is not a tool for reaching across space. It is a point of focus that allows the mind to become still. The paper holds no power. The name holds no power. Awareness does. I've seen people respond physically and emotionally to healing work before any explanation was offered. Sometimes before they consciously expected anything. This isn't because time or space is being manipulated. It's because consciousness does not operate the way that the body experiences time and distance. Physical presence can be comforting, but it is not required. What matters is permission, respect, and alignment. Distance healing does not remove ethical responsibility. Consent still matters. Healing is never imposed. It arises when openness is present and intention is grounded in humility. When this is understood, healing becomes simpler and quieter. There is no strain, no effort, no performance. Awareness rests where it belongs, and the body responds naturally. Distance healing is not a special category of healing. It is healing without the illusion of separation. When awareness recognizes connection that was never absent, healing follows. Thank you for allowing me to share, and I wish you joy, peace, and healing. And may the light of God shine through you each and every day. And yes, hug someone you love. God bless.